In a world where sophistication meets practicality, one name has consistently delivered unmatched value and refinement. Today, we introduce you to the 2024 Skoda Superb, a masterclass in automotive excellence. The 2024 Skoda Superb exemplifies a bold evolution in design. The prominent front grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, immediately commands attention. Its streamlined bodywork is both aesthetically pleasing and aerodynamically efficient, ensuring that every journey is as stylish as it is smooth. Every detail, from the distinctive alloy wheels to the subtle chrome accents, speaks of understated elegance. The rear LED taillights add a touch of modernity, ensuring the Superb looks as good from the back as it does from the front. But the beauty of the Superb is more than skin deep. Under the hood, the 2024 model offers a choice of efficient yet powerful engines. Whether you opt for the 2.0-liter TSI petrol engine or the 2.0-liter TDI diesel, each powertrain delivers a harmonious blend of performance and fuel economy. Advanced engineering is at the heart of the Superb's performance. The refined suspension system provides a comfortable ride without sacrificing handling precision. And with available all-wheel drive, the Superb is ready to tackle any road conditions with confidence. Step inside the Superb, and you're greeted by an oasis of luxury and comfort. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including premium leather seats, soft-touch surfaces, and intricate trim details. Every element is designed to enhance your driving experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the state-of-the-art infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an intuitive user interface. The digital cockpit provides all the information you need at a glance, while ambient lighting allows you to set the perfect mood for any journey. Innovation is seamlessly integrated into the Superb. The head-up display keeps essential information directly in your line of sight, reducing distractions. Adaptive cruise control adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, making highway driving a breeze. Parking is effortless with the Superb's Park Assist and 360-degree camera, which provide a clear view of your surroundings and guide you into tight spaces with ease. The 2024 Skoda Superb is designed with practicality in mind. Its spacious trunk offers ample room for luggage, groceries, or any gear you need for your adventures. The rear seats fold flat, expanding the cargo space and allowing you to transport larger items with ease. Clever storage solutions are found throughout the cabin, ensuring that everything you need is within easy reach. From the generously sized glove box to the convenient rear seat storage pockets, the Superb has thought of everything. Safety is paramount in the 2024 Skoda Superb. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including multiple airbags, a collision avoidance system, and lane-keeping assist, the Superb is designed to protect you and your passengers on every journey. Experts and owners alike praise the Superb for its reliability and advanced safety features, making it a trusted choice for families and professionals alike. Whether you're embarking on a family road trip, commuting to work, or enjoying a weekend getaway, the Superb enhances every driving experience. Its refined ride, quiet cabin, and responsive handling make every drive a pleasure. In conclusion, the 2024 Skoda Superb sets a new standard in the world of mid-size sedans. Combining timeless design, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort, it's a vehicle that truly stands out in its class. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the Skoda Superb. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exclusive content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, drive confidently and explore the extraordinary.